Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to fix Mazda 3 Window Easy Guide. Remove the door panel carefully and disconnect the battery before starting. First, inspect the regulator, motor, and glass for visible damage or loose bolts. Second, test the switch and wiring with a multimeter to isolate the issue. Third, replace or lubricate the regulator and clean the window tracks for smooth operation and long-lasting results. Start by operating the switch while listening for any motor noise and feeling for resistance in the lifter. If the motor hums but the glass does not move, the regulator or its attachments are likely broken. If the motor is silent, test for power at the switch and motor with a multimeter to find an open circuit or blown fuse. Note signs of loose bolts or misaligned tracks that need tightening or realignment. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make post-repair cleanup a breeze, and it even navigates around tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Begin repairs by removing the door panel and supporting the glass while you work to avoid breakage. Lubricate tracks and rollers and red-iron mounting bolts before testing the mechanism. If needed, unbolt the regulator and motor assembly, transfer the glass to the new regulator, then reinstall and test alignment. Finally, ensure the window seals properly and operates smoothly in both directions with no binding or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.